Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. This is very easy. So first you're gonna choose the background color that you want. I'm gonna choose this color. And then you go to the text and add a heading. Now you can add whatever your text is, whatever you want. And then go to animate and choose the pop. And then how to make it appear one by one. You're gonna copy the line like this. Go to animate, choose the pop again. And then you can choose the speed of it and also the animate type. With the time controlling, you can duplicate page, add more text for each page that you go. Just do the same with the other pages. So each page has all previous text without animation. And now look at the result. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.